Hi there, I'm Jonas Laberg and I'm a product manager here at Ardoq. I'm here to tell you about the new component overview page. You can access the component overview page in a number of ways. I'm going to show you the most direct one here. Simply click Control K or Command K and search for your component. Click Enter and it opens the component overview page. The page is organized in a number of tabs, where the first tab, the overview, gives you exactly what it says, an overview of the component with its name, description, and any priority fields you may have set, which lifts out the most important information about that component. You have a quick way to visualize the component, and you have a summary of its relationships here. Up the top, you have a list of the surveys that are associated with the given component. Simply click that to start filling out the survey. And if you have set a priority survey for this type, then that appears prominently top right. The Fields tab shows you all the fields that this component has. And you can edit its values here. If there are calculated fields, of course, they are not editable as their values are set by a calculation. The next tab along is the References tab, which shows you the references that the component has. They are sorted by the reference types and connected component types. And if you have meta model constraints enabled in your organization, you will see any permitted triple here. You can click a reference to see the details of both the reference itself and of the target components. If you want to create a reference, you can see that there is an Add Reference link underneath each of these reference types. Click Add New Reference and you get a list of all permitted references. You can start searching to find what you're looking for. Select those that you want to create references to, and there they are. If you need to create a new component at the same time, you can also do that. Click Create New Component, type its name, create reference and component, and you have them both created here. Click the name to edit any information on the reference or the target component. The next tab is the viewpoints that are associated with this component. Click to open. And finally, there are the styles, which shows you what the style of the component is and allows you to make any changes. You can also bring up the component overview page when you are in the inventory or if you are working with visualized components. But if you're on the component overview page proper, let's call it that, then you have a browser available here as well that you can use to inspect the components in the given workspace. This browser also lets you drag and drop components around to model your hierarchy. Let's go and visualize this so I can show you what it looks like when you open it in the view. If you right-click a component, it brings up the full view of the component in a drawer, so you can make any changes and inspect any details that you like without leaving your context. And the same is the case in inventory. As always, we'd love to hear back from you. If you have opinions or feedback about this page, you can use the chat support in Ardoq or get in touch with your CSM. Thank you.